Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex.
A paper trending on X, published 2 days ago on August 26, 2026, reveals that models reason 3 times faster by keeping only starting prompts and recent thoughts. The paper belongs to the Scaling Long AI Thinking Steps research subfield. Modern reasoning systems generate tens of thousands of thought steps to solve challenging math and logic puzzles accurately. Here is the core problem. Longer thoughts slow models down. Standard AI models store every single past calculation in memory, which quickly fills computer chips and slows down generation. The paper's main finding is clear. Keep start and latest steps only. Saving original instructions alongside recent reasoning steps lets models answer just as accurately while running 3 times faster.
And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub.
Figure 1 compares prefix sliding against standard full attention across 3 demanding benchmarks without any extra training. On competition math, science questions, and math problem solving, the blue triangles representing prefix sliding consistently achieve higher accuracy in much less thinking time. On Math 500, it reaches top performance about 3 times faster than full attention because it generates tokens at a steady, efficient pace. Figure 2 explains the motivation behind this strategy by plotting where a model actually focuses its attention during extended reasoning. The early prefix tokens receive high attention because they contain crucial instructions and serve as attention sinks. Attention drops nearly to 0 across intermediate reasoning steps before spiking sharply again for the most recent 1,000 tokens where active generation occurs.
Figure 3 contrasts standard full attention with prefix sliding step by step. On the left side, full attention keeps every generated word in memory, causing the computational cost to grow with each new step. On the right side, prefix sliding keeps only the initial prompt prefix and a fixed sliding window of recent tokens. By letting older intermediate words drop out of memory, the computation per step stays constant, no matter how long the reasoning chain continues.
Figure 6 demonstrates generation throughput as reasoning sequences scale up to over 500,000 tokens. The red line for full attention drops continuously, plunging from thousands of tokens per second down to around 100. In contrast, prefix sliding and sliding window stabilize around 5,000 tokens per second once the initial window fills. This constant generation speed allows models to produce extremely long reasoning chains without slowing to a crawl. Figure 9 compares prefix sliding against other memory reduction alternatives. Retaining only the last few tokens causes duplicate processing, while periodic summarization adds substantial latency. Pure sliding window attention quickly loses initial instructions, leading to poor accuracy below 10%. In the bottom right plot on competition math, prefix sliding achieves over 30% accuracy much faster than full attention, and clearly outperforms all 3 alternative approaches. Table 1 summarizes these experimental results across various window sizes and benchmarks. With a window size of 8192 tokens, prefix sliding matches or slightly exceeds full attention accuracy on AIME25 and GPQA. Looking at the speed columns on the far right, full attention slows down dramatically to under 450 tokens per second at 128K tokens. In contrast, prefix sliding sustains over 5,000 tokens per second, delivering massive throughput improvements without losing reasoning capability.
Prefix sliding solves the memory bottleneck of extended reasoning chains by keeping only key instructions and recent context. This allows models to reason over hundreds of thousands of tokens at constant speed, making long test time thinking practical. That wraps up this look at prefix sliding. I am Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.